Welcome to all. Today we discuss heterocyclic chemistry. So in case heterocyclic chemistry, at least in the cyclic system, at least one atom is must be different. So what is the reactivity on that system? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at which condition this aromatic system can participate electrophilic reaction or nucleophilic reaction? We can say that. So at first we want to study the reactivity and orientation. So after our study reactivity and orientation, we can also say that. So now in that system is here. Now our discussion is start now. So here heterocyclic compound. So some heterocyclic compound are here pyrrole, where NH are present, N is present on that cyclic system, 5-member ring. And furan, this system is called furan, and this system is called furan. This system is pyrrole, and this system is thiophene, and this one is our pyridine, and this one is indole, and quinonine, where N is present here, and when this N is shifted on that position, that is called isoquinoline. So our topic starts now, reactivity and orientation. Here all heteroatomy is sp2 hybridized, every case sp2. Here this nitrogen is also sp2 hybridized. So now we start our discussion. So at first we discuss the system of furan system. So now in case this furan system, when we get some canonical form is here, so this lone pair participate, so this bond shifted is here. So what is the changes of the structure? Here O plus and the double bond is formed, minus charge is here. So this minus charge when get delocalized, then this bond is shifted here. So what of the thing is occur here? Then this double bond shifted here and this minus charge is formed here. So when this minus charge can participate on conjugation, this minus charge is shifted here. Now we can easily say that, so here the minus charge is present here, all of the things of here, but here at which side electrophilic attack possible, at which side nucleophilic attack possible? Now the question is here. So to solve this question, we also draw. Now our question is incoming electrophile prefer 2 and 5 position. Why? So at first we want to show here what is the position of 2 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 is here present, 5-member ring. So the electrophile attack is more prefer 2 and 5. Why? That is the main question. So to try to solve this type of problem, so at first we also here attack also takes place electrophile. We take the electrophile. So when the attack possible through this double bond, so what is the changes of the structure? So if the electrophilic attack takes place on the 2 position, we know that the 2 position is here. So the plus charge is formed here. Where the electrophile attack possible, electrophilic attack, the opposite side the plus charge is formed. So the attack is called 2 attack. But when 3 attack is possible, means 3 position attack. So here now form the electrophile is here. So we know that where electrophile attach, the plus charge is from the opposite side. So now after formation of the 2 structure, then try to stabilize the plus charge. So this bond is shifted. So now we can easily say that the double bond is here and plus charge is shifted here, electrophile remains same. So now the lone pair of oxygen participate to stabilize the carbocation plus charge. So here now the plus charge is form of the oxygen, because the lone pair can take part in conjugation. So now then our structure is present here. Total we get 3 canonical form, but on that case this double bond cannot take participate conjugation and cannot take participate stabilize this plus charge, because this one is far away. Plus charge is here and double bond is here. So as a reason, this lone pair of oxygen can take part in stabilization. So here the plus charge is now here, this bond remains same and electrophile is here, so the double bond is formed here. But in that 2 case, here we get 3 canonical form, and in that case we get 2 canonical form, but here we get 3 canonical form. So we can easily say that sigma complex is more stable. On that case, sigma complex is more stable when the attack takes place second position. Why stable? Because we know that number of conjugation, number of resonance structure is more high, means the structure is more stable. Sigma complex is more stable on that case. So we can easily say that the second position of electrophilic attack is more preferred as compared the third position. So here, but why? Because here 2 canonical form is present, but in that case 3 canonical form is present. So here the sigma complex is more stable on that case when you show the all type of resonance form. So here the 2 attack is more predominant. Conclusion, 2 attack is more predominant. As a reason, this one is our conclusion. So now we conclude here the electrophilic attack, here this 2 position is more preferred than this 3 position. So we can easily say that this 2 position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 is equivalent to 5. So the 5 position is attack possible. So electrophilic attack on that side is also same position, 2 and 5 are equivalent. So now in case of thiophene, here the one sulfur atom is present here in case thiophene. So now we discuss the reactivity. So here when we also get numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but here in case thiophene 2 attack more preferred. Why? 2 attack is more preferred. Why? Because here when the electrophilic attack takes place, so we know that second position is when attack possible, the plus charge is present here. Now this bond is shifted here and the all resonance structure is here. So now the plus charge is formed here now. So the lone pair of sulfur atom take participate on resonance. So now the possible structure is here, plus charge is formed here. But when the attack is 2 attack, but when the 3 attack is possible, then the plus charge is formed here. So the sulfur atom can take participate directly to stabilize this plus charge. So now we can easily say that on that case here 2 attack is more preferred. 2 attack is more preferred. So conclusion, two attack is more preferred. Sigma complex is more stable. On that case stable sigma complex. So we can easily say that the 2 attack is more preferred. We conclude here. So in case thiophene is same. So now in case pyrrole, here the 1 position is here, 2 position, 3, 4, 5. So when the attack possible of electrophilic attack, 2 position, the plus charge is from the opposite side. So now this double bond is delocalized, this carbocation. So the plus charge is now shifted here. So this plus charge is now stabilized through this lone pair of nitrogen atom. So the plus charge is now present on that of nitrogen atom. So we can easily say that when the attack possible on second position, we get 3 canonical form. But when the attack possible on the third position is here, so third on the position of third, then the plus charge is formed here. This double bond cannot stabilize this plus charge because the far this plus charge and the double bond. So the lone pair of nitrogen can participate resonance and form the canonical form. So here we get only 2. So we can easily say that we can conclude here 2 attack is more preferred. This 2 attack is more preferred. So in case pyrrole, 2 attack is more preferred. Now we conclude here in case furan, in case thiophene, in case pyrrole, here the 2 attack of electrophile is more preferred. So 2 attack is more preferred. So sigma complex is more stable. We know that the sigma complex. So the transition state of 2 attack is more stable. So we can conclude all of the point. So on that system, 2 attack is more preferred. Now one of the important topic is pyridine. So here pyridine, the dipole moment direction is here due to the presence of the electronegative atom is 2.3 d, mu is equal to, but it has 6 pi electrons. Electrophilic substitution takes place, difficulty at this third position, 1 to 3 position, this 3 position, because leads more stable Whelan intermediate. When the electrophilic attack takes place third position, the more stable of the Whelan intermediate on that structure. So what is the concept of Whelan intermediate? We know that the exchange, so Whelan intermediate concept, we know that when the electrophilic attack takes place on that position, then one of the break on that hydrogen bond, so then electrophilic attack takes place and the plus charge is formed here. So this intermediate is called Whelan intermediate. We also discussed in our previous discussion what is the concept of Whelan intermediate. So here why 2 and 4 attack is not possible, electrophilic attack 2 and 4 you also discuss now. 2 and 4 attack why not possible? Now when in case pyridine the 2 attack possible, then the electrophile is here and plus charge is formed here. When the electrophilic attack is possible on the 2 position, but when the electrophilic attack is possible on the 3 position, then the plus charge is formed here. We know that at which side electrophilic attack takes place, the plus charge is formed opposite side. So this one is our 3 attack. So now when our 4 attack is possible, then the electrophile is also present here, but our plus charge is now formed on that side. So we can now we draw our all canonical form. So now in that case pyridine, when the 2 attack is possible, then the plus charge is directly formed on the heteroatom of nitrogen. Then when the attack of 3 attack is possible, then the plus charge is not present on the heteroatom of nitrogen. So in that case here when the 4 attack is possible, that is the position of 4, so we know that 1, 2, 3, 4. So when the 4 attack is possible, then the plus charge is formed here. So the plus charge is present on that heteroatom of nitrogen atom in this case. So the plus charge is present 2 and 4 in both case present on that heteroatom, but so the 2 and 4 attack positive charge present on the nitrogen atom, which is highly unstable because nitrogen is the electronegative atom, it cannot bear positive charge, so high energy state. So as a reason 3 attack is more preferred. 3 attack of electrophile more preferred. As a reason 3 attack of electrophile more preferred. Now the question is why? Here the 3 attack is more preferred, but why the electrophilic substitution can take place so much difficult way? Now we discuss why. Now the question is pyridine does not undergo electrophilic substitution directly, because here one of the important term is here, pyridine has an available electron pair of nitrogen, so it can easily protonate and get deactivate ring. So here in case in the presence of electrophile, it can directly attack electrophile, so the ring get deactivated, so the electrophilic substitution reaction cannot take place directly. So if we get the substitution, some of the electron donating group on the activate the ring, if we activate the ring, then the reaction goes through on electrophilic substitution. We also discuss, but here the pyridine does not undergo electrophilic substitution directly because it has lone pair. So this lone pair cannot delocalize on that benzene ring, so it can trap any proton and electrophile, so the ring get deactivated. So as a reason electrophilic substitution cannot get directly. Now one problem is given here, pyridine undergoes electrophilic nitration at elevated temperature to give the following product. So which product is formed? So we know that is the number 2 position. So in case when we get the position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that 2 position, here the nitration group, here the in case NO2 plus electrophile, it can bind through the 2 position, so it cannot possible. We also know that then the plus charge is formed on that center. So when 4 attack possible, then the plus charge is formed on that position when 4 attack possible. But when here 2 position attack is not possible, we know that, so 2 option, 3 option is cut, and here only for 3 position when NO2 group, NO2 electrophilic attack takes place, then the plus charge is not present on that nitrogen atom. So in that case this product is formed and more predominant, and the more electron density on the 3rd position presence. So we know that this is more favorable. So correct answer is D. So now we can solve this type of problem on that concept by using. Now we discuss the system of indole. So in case indole, the system is called indole. So here the number 1 position is here. Here the numbering is very important. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in case indole, here the electrophilic attack takes place, 3rd position is more favorable at first. Why? We also explain. 3rd position more preferred. 3rd position is more preferred. If 3rd position block, if block 3rd position, then attack of electrophile takes place 2 position. If 3rd position is blocked, then the attack takes place 2 position. And then one of the important thing is here, 2 and 3 position block. Then the attack takes place on the 6th position. Then the electrophilic attack takes place 6th position. 6th position. So the important term is third position is more preferred. Then if you block this third position, then the attack of electrophile 2 position, and then when 2 and 3 both position you can block of electrophile with giving, then the electrophilic attack takes place 6. I also explain here. Now if you draw the resonance structure, so we get the canonical form of indole. This double bond is shift here and minus charge is formed here. So but after the plus charge is formed here, so when this minus charge take participate and the minus charge is then shifted. So what is the form of the structure is now formed? The double bond is now formed here, and then one of the important thing is here, the minus charge is formed here. So we can easily say, so when then this minus charge can take participate on that ring, then we get the structure of double bond is here, minus charge is here. So now when this minus charge can take participate conjugation, so the minus charge is formed on the upward position. So now we can easily draw this type of canonical form. So minus charge is now formed here. Now we just draw. Now this minus charge when can take participate, this bond is shifted. So now we can easily say that NH minus charge present on the third position, and then we also draw the all structure. Then this minus charge, then this minus charge can take participate conjugation, then this one is shifted. So what is the structure? Then the double bond is shifted here and formation of structure on that structure form. But now on that pattern, then the lone pair of nitrogen can take participate on conjugation, and this one. So now the minus charge plus charge is formed here, and then this minus charge can also participate. So this one is present here. Now this minus charge can take part on conjugation. Now this minus charge can take part and the minus charge is formed here. So what happened? This one is present here, minus charge is present here, and when this minus charge comes here, this one is comes here. So we get this type of canonical structure, all type of canonical structure. Our journey, so our structure when you number, this one is our 1, and then our 2 structure is, this one is our 2, this one is our 3, this one is our 4, this one 5, this one 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total we get the canonical structure is here. So we can say that the 3 position is more preferred electrophile because the minus charge is formed here 3 position and on that structure. So here the third position is here. So this structure says the electrophilic attack takes place on the third position is more preferred. Then second position, the minus charge is formed on the second position is here, but 2 and 3 position if you block, then the electrophilic attack takes place on that sixth position. So sixth position is here. So now number 1 point, number 2 point, number 3 point satisfies on that to see the canonical structure of form. So now in case quinoline, here the N atom is here. So in case quinoline, when you see the resonance structure, so the minus charge is formed here, plus charge is present here. Now we draw, this bond is shifted here, then plus charge is formed here. We know the canonical form. So the plus charge is here. So we can say that here this plus charge is also formed 2 and 4 position. So if you number 1, 2, 3, 4, so this one is the 2 position plus charge form, and here 4 position. So one of the important thing is here, plus charge never form or cannot form on the third position. So electrophilic attack takes place on the third position. On the site of third position, because here electron density is more high. Electron density more high on third position. Third position electron density is more high. Now we can say that the third position is more preferred, but also 2 position, 5 position, 8 position takes place electrophilic substitution. So now the summary, today class summary. Now we conclude that favors of 2 attack in case furan, pyrrole and thiophene. Here favors always electrophilic substitution favors on the 2 position is more favor as compare 3 position, because the more canonical form we also show on that our canonical form. So here 2 attack of more favor, but in case pyridine here favors 3 attack of electrophilic substitution, favors 3 attack of electrophilic substitution. But in case indole here also 3 position is more favor, but when you block 3 position, then the electrophilic attack takes place on the 2 position. But when you block 2 and 3 position, then the electrophilic attack takes place on the 6th position. Now we conclude. But in case quinoline here the 3 position is more favorable, 1, 2, 3, because here the plus charge is not formed. We get our canonical form. Here the plus charge also form 2 and 4 position. So as a reason 3 position is more favorable. Also electrophilic attack takes place 5, 8 and 2 position. So this one we also conclude in our discussion. So guys, we also complete our discussion of reactivity of heterocycle moiety. So if you like this discussion, please like and subscribe this channel as per our regular information, and if any question please email me and also comment me. Thank you.